Hello folks, look at SharperTrades. A quick look at the Chinese market. FXI, this is the ETF, 25 index fund for the Chinese stock market. It's reversing, crossed back above the 50 SMA 3 days ago and extending today. So I'm expecting Chinese market to do some kind of recovery. It's been most likely bottom out and has potential to extend. So with regards to this index, the targets 25, 26, 20 SMA, 27, 30. Support is the 50 SMA and the 80 SMA somewhere around the 2250, 2270 level. Looks good. As a result, we are seeing Chinese stocks moving up. Let's take a look at these we are following. Baba. Baba is the first one. Baba looks good. I like this base. It has been forming above 70, let's call it. And despite some of this struggle with the 50 SMA up, down, continues to trade above it, at least for the past 4 days. Volume is increasing, OBV pointing up. I think this wants to go 79, 83, and the 200 simple moving average are the targets. Support remains the 50 SMA and then somewhere around 72. Billy is another one, Chinese company, is trailing behind a little bit. Is still testing the 50 simple moving average and these recent lows. We're looking, see if I can pull it right there. 1041, December 22nd. So it needs to come back above that and take out the 50 SMA, but there's potential with the resistance target at 1155, 1278, and 1413. And support is the 80 SMA and then further down at the 21 SMA. Baidu is a Chinese company with AI Chinese company, still below the 50 SMA. I do like the volume increase as well. I want to see it back above the 50 SMA with the targets 112, 117, 122, and the 200 SMA with the support somewhere around 105, and then this low here on the 13th of February, 103. And then finally, with the Chinese companies that we follow, LI, this one is a swing that is working well. Crossed the 80 SMA. First target 31.30. 32.60 was the second target. The third target is 34. It's approaching that, not there yet. And but the volume is increasing. That's positive. Electric vehicle. And also this one is back above the 50 SMA, so that's a positive sign. Watch for the 200 SMA. That's a big resistance, which comes around 34.50. And the next target above that will be 35.50, 37.20, and 39. Support, we are tightening now a little bit. The 30, let's see, 32, 31 level, yeah. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.